Alright, what's up guys? We're back here with the Genesis. So today I'm going to be switching out the front Hyundai emblem for the gloss black Genesis wing badge. So it's going to be pretty easy. What you're going to need to do, you're going to need a flathead screwdriver and a microfiber cloth or a sock or any kind of thing. If you tape off the edges of the grill, you can actually go in with the screwdriver and pry it up and snap the first little back ring and snap the second little back ring. I already did it, so basically you just literally go in through the sides underneath, and if there's tape down here, it won't scratch it. I didn't scratch it. I got a super small mark there, if you can see it, and a super small mark there. That's only because I didn't put tape down. But yeah. So you just literally go in straight to the side, bend up on it. You'll hear it pop right here. Then you'll go over to this side, bend up a little bit more. It'll pop right here. If you can do it two at once, it'll literally pop both of them at the same time. The issue I had is when I pried up against it and it popped the emblem off, as you can see, it actually snapped off one of the tabs inside the grill. So I actually had to go through and with the with just a set of pliers, because once it's free from that emblem, you can literally just push it right through. So I literally just stuck it and I pushed it through, and then it ended up dropping down into the grill section down here. You can't even see it. You can see one over there, right over here, but I'll end up fishing those suckers out. But yeah, we got the new grill. So what you're going to do, you're going to definitely want to clean all that up, because that looks like poop. So I'm just using fingernail polish remover. You can use rubbing alcohol, anything like that. And basically this is when that dual purpose thing would come in. Here's that piece that fell out. But you just get the rag wet with it, wipe it down, then dry it off. Try to center your badges. That way when you put them on, they are actually centered and not all whacked out. Just gotta center it. And then you just pretty much center it and then go from there. But I'm gonna try to get all this cleaned up, and then we'll go from there. And basically all you're doing is you're just cleaning up all the dirt off of it. That way when you pull the backing tape off of the wing emblem, it actually sticks on it good. Try to clean up all the leftover sticker residue. And that's the good thing about the fingernail polish remover. It actually like really tears into it. Clean up all behind there, since that's probably gonna be one of the last times I'm getting back here. Try to get that little speck off. Alright, and then you just get the emblem. Basically you're going to want to line it up to see how it's going to fit. And then you just basically line it up. And then you just go from there. I'm going to peel this backing tape off, and then I'm going to set the emblem in place. So peel this off. Alright, so we got all the backing tape off of it now. Now it's just a matter of actually lining it up and making sure everything's straight. So, try to put this sucker on. Get it in there even. So that should be on there about even if I can get it in there right. Let's see, it's sitting in there. And just push and hold on it. I mean, it probably would have been better to do it when it wasn't so cold out. It's about 30 degrees right now, 29. So it's going to take a little bit longer, but this should help it out a little bit. Holding on to it, especially as long as I don't go through any car washes or anything, let it sit. But we got this thing all set up. Looks like it's pretty even. Go through, make sure all the edges are down. There you go. And that's going to be how you're going to install it. And then obviously, if you didn't destroy yours like I destroyed mine, you could set yours aside. I mean, if you wanted to go back to stock one day, maybe just run some double-sided backing on it and do it that way. But that's going to be it. You don't even have to take the front bumper off. I mean, I've seen some people do that to make it easier, but honestly, to me, that was the easiest way to do it. It's less than a 10-minute process, and you just center the badges. It's a lot easier when you're not holding a camera or balancing a camera on your knee, of course. But just wanted to show you guys that. And yeah, that's going to be it for this video, you guys. Just wanted to show you a quick update. I'm going to be getting tint later on in the week, so good for that. But yeah, if you have any questions, drop them down in the comment section below. Like always, thanks for watching, and I will post the link of where I got the badges also down in the description below. Alright, if you're not already subscribed, subscribe to the channel, and if you know anybody that has a Genesis, like I said in the last video, go ahead and mention them. Tell them like, hey, this guy's new, he's doing some stuff. Go ahead and subscribe to his channel. But besides that, guys, thanks for watching. Till next time, guys.